and welcome to this second tutorial video in regard to the creation, management, and review of documents using the Review Set feature. In this video, we will be speaking directly to the reviewers and showing reviewers how to access review sets and how to work within the review sets that have been created by your account administrator. As we discussed in our prior video, reviewers have access to one review set, which multiple reviewers can be in at the same time. As an individual reviewer, you will not be prompted with documents that other individuals have reviewed out of that review set, and each time you begin a review, you will be brought to a new document that has not yet been reviewed. Your account administrator will have set up the review set in advance, and this is how you will access your review set. You will go to the Discovery tab and go to Review Sets. So let's look at that within the Lexbe platform. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up our training case. And in this training case, the account administrator has already created a review set, and we are ready to begin our review as reviewers. So what we want to do is we want to navigate to the Discovery tab. We want to select Review Sets. From inside the review set, you will see the review set that was set up by your account administrator. And in this example, we have the Client Data First Pass Review. As a reviewer, to begin reviewing documents in the review set, it is a very simple process. You just simply click Start. Once you click Start, the system will bring you directly to the document viewer. You may be familiar with this document viewer as you've used it in other options when working within the system. The only difference here is that now we're looking at it from inside of the review set, and you will notice a couple of unique options here that you do not see typically when outside of a review set. You will see the system is indicating to you that documents remaining to review in this review set are 418, and the documents have not yet been reviewed. So to begin review of these documents, we're simply going to review the document in place. We're going to make our determination as to how the document should be coded. We're going to click Save and Continue. The system will now bring us to the next document that needs to be reviewed, and you will see here that the document remaining has changed to 417, and it is now indicating that I have reviewed one document. If this document needs to be coded exactly as the previous document, you can use the shortcut feature here, which means apply previous coding changes. So at this point, if it's the same type of coding for this document as previously, you can use the shortcut to apply previous coding changes, and you will see the system is automatically applying the coding from that previous document. Once again, we're going to click Save and Continue, and we're going to continue on through the review of the documents in the review set. Again, noting that the documents remaining total is going down and our document review total is going up. We will continue through this process until we need to move on to other tasks or the review is complete. A couple of other options to note is that when you are in the review set and reviewing, if you will look in the far left-hand side, you will see this bar that you can expand. When you expand this bar, the system will indicate to you the documents that you have reviewed in place. This will update every time that you click Save and Continue and have coded additional documents. Now, when you want to exit the review set for either the day, or perhaps you're going to lunch, or you're going to come back later to review, all you need to do is go up here to where you see Save and Continue. In the far right-hand side, you will see the X icon. When I hover over it, you'll see that it says Exit Review. So we're going to click Exit Review. You will see that now we are brought back to the system. You will see that we have now reviewed two documents. There's an additional document still in review. There are 416 documents remaining. When we get ready to pick up with our review on the next day or in a few hours after we come back to the system, all we need to do as reviewers is to click Continue. The system will reopen the documents and bring you to the next available document for you to review, and you can continue your review from there. When you are complete with your review and have finished your review, all you have to do in order to end the review is to exit out of the system and to click Stop. This will click Stop so that your reviewers can continue to review and your account administrator can see where you are in the process. You can always come back and pick up from start, but what this does is when you click Stop, it pulls all the documents that you currently have not yet reviewed back into the system so that other reviewers can pick up and begin reviewing from there. If you have any questions about the documents that you have reviewed and you have a question you would like to go back and look at those, I will like to provide this best practice for you. You can filter to the documents you have reviewed in a review set simply by going back to Browse, using the Select Filter option. Using the filters, what we're going to do is we're going to filter down to a specific review set, in this case the Client First Data Review, and we're going to look at documents reviewed by us, and we're going to click OK. And this will give you a quick section to see how many documents you have reviewed up to this point within the review set itself. Again, keep in mind that as reviewers, the only thing that you need to do in order to work with the review sets is to navigate to the Discovery tab, select Review Sets, and begin your review. If you have any questions or want more detailed information on types of review and review best practices related to reviewers, you can also look in the upper right-hand corner next to the name of your case with a drop down, select Help, but also as you go through, you will see that it also provides information on reviewing documents in a review set. We also have several keyboard shortcuts here that will also aid you in your review that you can look at and employ as well as part of your review. If you have any questions about your review set or how to navigate to your review set, please reach out to your account administrator, who can then reach out to professional services if needed, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you again for attending this video, and we look forward to speaking to you in the future.